Welcome to Ford time, or as I call it, disappointing. So we have just done and tested. This is the second fuel pump from O'Reilly's, and neither one of them pump. This one won't pump at all. We did find that our factory fuel lines, the metal lines that go the length of the vehicle, they are filled with rust. So we've eliminated that now. And now we're running that blue hose right there is going to the pump, going out here. We just want to get the thing to run. I had it running on an electric pump, but everybody told me to put a manual pump back on it, mechanical pump back on it. It'd be more reliable. Yeah, no, it's not, because I can't find one that fucking works. Well, this pump ain't working either. It's pumping more than the other one was, but it's not pumping hardly enough to run this truck. It's just little drips that it's pumping. So I'm putting the electric system back on it. Okay, so here's really fucking weird. We just got it to run for about a minute with no fuel line attached to the pump at all. My grandpa just put his finger over the feed hole, and the truck ran for like a minute. So I think that filter's fucked. Even the radio's on.